Hey, welcome back to my channel. I am Angry Admin, and this is a Tech Tidbits, your news from the IT world and beyond. Today, AI, and AI. Let's start. Elon Musk drops lawsuit after OpenAI published his email. The saga continues. What is happening? Elon Musk accused OpenAI of racing to develop powerful AI technology to maximize profits. OpenAI, meanwhile, accused Musk of essentially being jealous that he was no longer involved in the startup. You may know, you may not know, but Elon Musk was a co-founder of OpenAI. And in 2018, following an unsuccessful bid to convince his fellow co-founders to let Tesla acquire OpenAI, they parted the way. I think Elon Musk is jealous. I think this is the one of investment. He is sorry he let it go. Back to the story. Musk sued the company in February, accusing ChatGPT maker of abandoning its original non-profit mission by reserving some of its most advanced AI technology for private customers. The lawsuit had sought a jury trial, and for the company, Altman and co-founder and president Greg Brockman to pay back any profit they received from the business. But OpenAI quickly published back against Musk's claims, calling them incoherent and frivolous, and arguing in a court filing that the case should be dismissed. The company also published a blog post that included several of Musk's emails from OpenAI's early days. The emails appeared to show Elon acknowledging the need for the company to make large sum of money to fund the computing resources needed to power its AI ambitions, which stood in contrast to the claim in his lawsuit that OpenAI was wrongly looking for the profits. Furthermore, few days ago, Apple announced that they are going to integrate OpenAI with the iOS to make the product Siri stronger. Elon reacted on that news and tweet on his X platform, and now I'm quoting, "If Apple integrates OpenAI at the OS level, then Apple devices will be banned at my companies. This is an unacceptable security violation." So we are going to see how this saga continues. Just a few days ago, Nvidia and Dell announced that they join forces and they are going to build AI factory. AI factory, which will contain loads of GPU powers, loads of CPU powers, and network devices, and it will become AI as a service. The idea is for the small businesses to go to Dell and ask for their own AI model, and thanks to that factory, Dell will be providing the bespoke models for other companies. So, guys, what do you think about this? Let me know in the comment section. As we know, that factory will use such amount of power. The AI is a power-hungry beast. On the subject of power-hungry beasts, Microsoft released new update, and it says that Windows Update is now carbon aware. What does it mean? Starting with Windows 11 version 22H2, Windows Update is now carbon aware, making it easier for your device to reduce carbon emissions. Basically, they reduce power settings for screen and sleep. How that will work? Will that detect the computer is idle and power off? Worry about if you leave it on purpose. We'll see. I think it's just being trendy to be green everywhere. And is that a good move? I don't know, guys. Again, let me know in the comment section. Staying with the X platform, all three game console makers now have abandoned X integration. As of June the 10th, Nintendo has officially discontinued support for Switch consoles integration with X platform, making it the last of current gen consoles to do so after Microsoft and Sony. As we found out, this is not about issue with Elon Musk personality or the freedom of speech he allows the users, but this is related to money. I don't know if you knew that, but the cost for X API for enterprise customer starts at $42,000 a month. It starts at this price. So no wonder that company is looking for saving. They cut off X. I don't think the X is the platform for gamers. Not the most popular one for sure. And now I will share with you very disturbing news. Adobe is introducing disturbing changes to the rules of using its tools. It wants access to all users' projects. Changes to the terms of use of Photoshop, Substance 3D, and other Adobe products stipulate that user must consent to the company accessing the active project for purposes of, among other things, content moderation. This means that Adobe has unlimited access to customer projects, even those covered by NDA, which is non-disclosure agreements. This has caused controversy and concern among professionals because the company will have access to content such as logos for unannounced games and other media projects that are not yet publicly available. Guys, this is very disturbing, and I would understand that move if we would be talking about community version. But this is fully paid product, and I don't know what to make of it. What do you make of it? Let me know in the comment section. I'm actually speechless, and we'll see which direction this will go. And circling back to OpenAI, I just found out that former head of NSA joins OpenAI board. OpenAI has appointed Paul M. Nakasone, a retired general of the US Army and a former head of National Security Agency, NSA, to its board of directors. Nakasone, who was nominated to lead the NSA by former President Donald Trump, directed the agency from 2018 until February of this year. OpenAI says he will join its Safety and Secure Committee, which was announced in May and is led by CEO Sam Altman. As a first priority, Nakasone will also contribute to OpenAI's efforts to better understand how AI can be used to strengthen cybersecurity by quickly detecting and responding to cybersecurity threats. That was the news, guys. I hope you enjoyed that episode. Don't forget to subscribe and like, share, click on the notification bell, and see you in the next one. Bye.